Ayo, what's up my dudes? Today we're decorating my binder covers, the aesthetic way. Since y'all liked my last 2 video of aesthetic covers, then I suppose, why not another one? Anyways, this binder looks extremely disgusting, so I just had to change it. I'm going to search up some inspirations from my art journals. Y'all will probably find some journal vids on my channel, if not then I'll post it then. I couldn't mask the damn pen marks, so I had to improvise by drawing a grid. Here's a little note. Everything I did in this vid was unplanned. Still the marks were visible, so again improvising with black paint again. Yeah, don't you just love to be messy? Apparently it's not making any sense, so I'll be drawing on some brown paper and then stick that in the place adjacent to the black patch. I'm going to paint the only thing I know, which is moon faces and the moon itself, brah. Here we go. It's not the best, but it's at least somewhat better than being plain and dirty as F. Thank you so much for watching. 8 bye.